Emory, Texas, classics round the square. And it really is a wonderful car show in Emory, Texas. And I went out there to record the 25th annual Classics Round the Square. And when they say it's around the square, it is seriously, the square is hammered with tons of cars invading it and up and down the side streets as well. If you want to know more about it, go out to Facebook and look up Classics Round the Square. Here we go for more. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you for joining me in regard to this really great car show. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. The Emory, Texas Car Show, a small town west of Dallas, Texas. It's an annual car show at the end of every summer. Typically around 300 cars. This year, there were at least 280. Entry requirement is 1988 and older cars only. Historically, this show began back in 1997 with only 36 cars, and it may have even started decades before. Just kidding, of course. But you know what? All the car owners really enjoyed driving out, especially with groups of other friends, to this car show. One thing I really like is participants vote for their favorite cars. They judge on best of show, interior, paint, engine, and street driven. And there's a sponsor pick as well. This is truly a very well judged show, and by evidence that it's been around for 25 years. If you show your car, you will likely even win a door prize. So there's always a little something, a little perk to look forward to. At the end of this video, I will display some, maybe not all, but many of the great sponsors. And I will also give you a little more information by using the maps so that you know where this is located. Other videos that are available out on the internet and in YouTube, etc. So that's really cool. And so for right now, let's spend another minute or two walking around this show and seeing what it was like here in the summer of 2023. this is the majority of the walk around. There's more to follow after this message. And really what I have to say is location. It is east of Dallas, not too far, very easy to get to. So say you can hit Rockwall and go directly east. Very, very easy drive. It's in the crosshairs of 19 and 69, which is between basically Sulphur Springs, Canton, Greenville, and Mineola. Really nice back roads to get to this place. It's a great, great little town. Now, so Classics Round the Square, Emory, Texas. And there are several videos out there, maybe around 12 or more at least. And I have my own, which I did last year, I believe. So look for that. I would appreciate it very much, and I think you will enjoy it. So now let's take a quick look at a bunch of the sponsors of 2023's show. Classics Round the Square, Emory, Texas. This is their current logo. You can go out to Facebook, type in Classics Round the Square. You'll see the logo. Just click on that and you'll go immediately to their Facebook page. In terms of Facebook pages, you can also go out to the Road Odyssey Facebook page, and I give you weekly updates on what I am working on, doing, who I'm visiting, and all that good stuff. Before leaving, I want to give a shout out to this little display here, the Firebird and the beautiful Mustang. This is Callaway Customs, North Paris, Texas, a great hot rod shop. And this is Scott Callaway right here. Here is their Facebook page. I suggest looking at that. It's wonderful. And with Callaway Customs, there's also Cecil Tubb, a fantastic painter. And you can check out his Facebook page as well. And then Scott introduced me to these gentlemen who are a part of the Lake Country Classic Car Club, a really cool group in the North and East Texas area. Then there is Scott Singleton from Sulphur Springs. He heads up the Cars and Coffee Sulphur Springs group, and that is downtown Sulphur Springs. So check that out as well. Pretty cool. There is also Vintage Iron Hot Rods, a new shop to me and kind of new to Texas. They are in Yantis, Texas, just north of Quitman at Lake Fork. A really, really cool shop. I enjoyed seeing all of these hot rod shop builds. That was great. Cruising groups and Cars and Coffee groups as well. And the YouTubers like Sam Space 81 and this fella. So Wesley Blaylock, a super cool guy. He does weddings and all types of photography and videography. He has the 289 Film Company Facebook page. He was also the mastermind editor, producer, videographer for Turning Rust. So a very nice show that is out on YouTube. It is wonderful. So he did the whole first few seasons of Turning Rust. Cool guy. So let's get back into finishing this. Looking at the last few cars from the show real quick. As I tell you, thank you so much for watching this video and any and all of my videos that you have watched. I really do appreciate it. If you're on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you're on Rumble, please follow. And with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.